Hello students, welcome back to mathematics video classes. Now we start second chapter whole numbers exercise 2.1. What is the first problem? Here write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. What is the next number 10,999? This is you find a successor of this one first. We get next number. What is successor? When we add 1 to this number, we get next number, that is the successor of this one, 10,999 given number. We add 1 to this number, we get next number plus 1. 10,999 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 0 here. 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1. 1. 11,000. 10,999 plus 1 is equal to 11,000. What is the next number to this one? 11,000 plus 1. 11,001. Next one, 11,001 plus 1. 11,001 plus 1, that is equal to 11,002. These are the numbers after 10,999. Next three natural numbers after 10,999 are: first one 11,000, next one 11,001, next one 11,002. These are the next three natural numbers. Next problem, let us discuss next problem. What is the next problem? Write three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. 10,001 before 10,001, that means we find predecessor of this one, we get a previous number to this number. What is the given number? Ten thousand one. 10,001. When we subtract 1 from this one, we get before to the 10,001. 10,001 minus 1. How much? 10,001 minus 1, that is equal to 10,000. Next three whole numbers occurring just before the 10,001. We subtract 1 from 10,000. 10,000 minus 1, that is equal to 10,000 plus 1. Here 10 carry 10 borrowing, 10 minus 1 9, here also 9, 9, 9. 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. We subtract 1 from 9,999 minus 1, 9,998. These numbers before three whole numbers just before 10,001. The three whole numbers just before 10,001 are 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. Next problem. Which is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number. What are whole numbers? Natural numbers along with 0 are called whole numbers. Starting from 0, that is the smallest number. Here 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the first and smallest whole number. Zero is the smallest whole number. Next problem. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? First we write in between 32 and 53 we write all numbers in between 32 and 53. Whole numbers in between 32 and 53. First number 32 after 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. These are the numbers, whole numbers lies between 32 and 53. When we count these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 whole numbers in between 32 and 53. Therefore, there are 20 whole numbers in between 32 and 53. There are 20 whole numbers in between 32 and 53. Next problem. Write the successor of following numbers. Write the successor of following numbers. What is the first one? Given number and successor. What is given number? First one, A1, 24,40,701. What is the successor of this number? When we add 1 to this number, then we get next number, that is called successor. We add 1 to 24,040,701, that is 24 lakh 40,701 plus 1, that is equal to 24 lakh 40,702. Next number 10,000 1 lakh 1 lakh 199, 1 lakh 199. What is the successor of this one? We add 1 to this number, we get next number, that is successor. 199 plus 1, 1,200. This is the successor of 1,199. Next one, 10,99,999. What is the successor of 10,99,999? 10,99,999 plus 1, we get 11 lakh. D1, 23 lakh 45,670. 45,670 plus 1, we get successor. 23 lakh 45,671. Let us discuss next problem. Write the predecessor of the following numbers. Given number, predecessor. What is the predecessor? Predecessor means when we subtract 1 from given number, we get a previous number, that is called predecessor. First one, 94. The predecessor of 94 is, if we subtract 1 from 94, we get 93, that is the predecessor. Next one, 10,000. 10,000. What is the previous number to 10,000? 9,999. 10,000 minus 1, we get 9,999. This is the predecessor of 10,000. Next one, 2,08,090. 2,08,090. If we subtract 1 from 2,08,090, if we subtract 1 from 2,08,090, we get 2,08,089. Next number, 76 lakh 54,321. 26 lakh 54,321. If we subtract 1 from this number, we get previous number to 76 lakh 54,321. 76 lakh 54,320. 76 lakh 54,320 is the predecessor of this number. Next problem, 7th problem. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign greater than or less than between them. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Which number on the left of the other number on the number line? The least number left of the other number on the number line. First you find least number of the following pairs. Here first one is 530 and 503. What is the least number following pairs? Following pair 503. Here 503 is left of the other number 530. 503 is on the left side. Left side of 530. That is 503 is less than 530. Next pair 370 and 307. We observe the pair 370 and 307. What is the least number? Here 307 is the least number. A least number is on the left side of the other number 370. 307 is on the left side of other number 370. 307 is on the left side of 370. That means 307 is the smallest number and 307 is less than 370. Next C1. What is the C1? 98,765 and 56,789. On the number line 56,789 is left of the other side, other number 98,765. Here 56,789 is on the left side of 98,765. That means 56,789 is least number and 56,789 is less than 98,765. Next pair. What is the next pair? 98 lakh 30,415 and 1 crore 23,001. Next pair D1 98 lakh 30,415 comma 1 crore 23,001. What is the least number here? 98 lakh 30,450 is 98 lakh 30,415 is the least number of the other number. Here 98 lakh 30,415 is on the left side of 1 crore 23,001. That means 98 lakhs 30,415 is less than 1 crore 23,001. Next problem. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Let us see one by one. The statements are true or false when we check. First one is 0 is the smallest natural number. Is the statement is true or false? 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is not there in natural numbers because the statement is false. 0 not there in natural numbers because the statement is false statement. Next one is 400 is the predecessor of 399. Okay, 400 is the predecessor of 399. What is predecessor? Predecessor means if we one subtract from given number, we get previous number to given number. That is predecessor. Here 400 is previous number to 399. No. 300. What is the previous number to 399? 399. 98 is the previous number to 399. The statement is also false statement. 0 is the smallest whole numbers. 0 is there in whole numbers? Yeah, 0 is there in whole numbers. That is a true statement. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. This is also true statement. All whole numbers are natural numbers? No. Why? Because all natural numbers are whole numbers. Because all whole numbers are not a natural numbers. Because 0 is not a natural number. The statement is false statement. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. I explain one example. For example, 45. What is the predecessor of 45? If we subtract 1 from this one, 44. Okay, 2-digit number, this one. Predecessor is also 2-digit number. 10 is 2-digit number? 2-digit number. When we subtract 1 from this one, we get 9. Single digit number. Predecessor is a single digit number. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. That is, the statement is false statement, because here 2-digit number is 10. 10 minus 1, we get 9. 9 is single digit number, because the statement is false. 1 is the smallest whole number. 1 is the smallest whole number. The statement is false, because 0 is the smallest whole number. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. there is no natural numbers before the 1 because the natural numbers 1 has no predecessor. It is a true statement. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. 1 minus 1 0. 0 in whole numbers. The statement is wrong. False statement. The whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. 13 is lies between 11 and 12? No. This is also false statement. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Yeah, 0 has no predecessor. Why? Because 0 is the smallest whole number. The statement is a true statement. The successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. The statement is also, first we check some examples we take. For example, 98. What is the successor of 98? 98 plus 1? 99. This is also 2-digit number. The successor of 98. This is also 2-digit number. Successor also 2-digit number. 99 plus 1, that is equal to 100. Given number is 99, 2-digit number. The successor is a 3-digit number. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number? No. The statement is a false statement. Sometimes 3-digit number successor. Let's stop here. We will continue in the next video.